Exercise name, standing one arm, kettlebell side raise, lateral raise. How to perform. Starting position. 1. Stand tall with feet about hip width apart. 2. Hold a kettlebell in your left hand. Arm down at your left side near your hip, palm facing your body, neutral grip. 3. Let your right arm hang relaxed at your right hip, no engagement. 4. Brace your core, retract your shoulders slightly, avoid shrugging, and keep a neutral spine. Raising phase. 1. With a slight bend in the left elbow, raise your left arm out to the side, going no higher than shoulder level. 2. The kettlebell should move in a smooth arc outward and upward until your arm is parallel to the floor, palm facing down or slightly inward. 3. Keep your shoulder down and avoid shrugging. Focus on lifting with your deltoid, not your traps. Lowering phase. 1. Slowly lower the kettlebell back down to the starting position at your left hip. Try to control the descent. Don't let it drop quickly. 3. Reset your posture and repeat for the desired reps. Key form cues. Don't swing the kettlebell. Use muscle, not momentum. Keep torso still. Avoid leaning or twisting. Slight elbow bend helps protect the joint and activates delts more effectively. Wrist stays neutral. Don't let it collapse. Muscles worked. Primary muscle. Lateral deltoid, middle head of deltoid. The main shoulder muscle responsible for arm abduction, lifting to the side. Secondary muscles. Anterior deltoid, slightly assists in the raise, especially if your hand comes a bit forward. Supraspinatus, rotator cuff, initiates the movement and stabilizes the shoulder. Trapezius, upper and middle fibers, stabilizes the shoulder. Girdle and may assist slightly if form breaks. Serratus anterior, helps stabilize the scapula. Core muscles, obliques, rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, stabilize the torso and prevent lateral lean. Forearms and grip muscles, stabilize and hold the kettlebell. Please check my next video.